Thank you for watching. Thanks for tuning in. All that good stuff. You know the words. So I thought I'd just show you a couple of quick builds we got going. Of course, you've seen the beginning of the Starliner build. I've got the purple on the back now. Purple's looking good. And what I did was I taped off the front. Our initial thought, Chad and myself, Chad Bailey, this belongs to Chad Bailey, who has a great solo guitar EP out. You can find him on YouTube. Let's see, what's it called? He has a band called Sen, and man, I can't think of the other thing, but I'm going to figure it out and I'll put it up here somewhere. It'll be somewhere in this video. My brain just won't pull it from the ether at the moment, but before I do this one, let's check this out. Check this out. Look at this bad boy. Red, baby. This belongs to Jay Rakes. And you've seen this going along as we've been doing it. And so this is now ready for final wet sanding and buffing. And then, of course, assembly. That's looking really pretty. I really like that piece of mahogany right there. It's just, man, so pretty. So this one's just about ready to start making music. We're going to wet sand it tomorrow, see how it looks. If it looks like it needs anything more or more lacquer sprayed on it, you know, we'll do that then. So I'm going to go hang this one up. I'll be right back. Okay, so getting back to the Starliner build. Initially put purple on the top. And I was going to put stain on it. And for some reason I talked myself out of that. I don't know why. So then I had a vision of how I would like for it to look. I sanded all that purple back off. So what we did was, let's unwrap this baby. We decided to do a heavy purple on the back and sides up to the walnut. Leave that walnut stripe exposed. And then I'm going to do a very light purple burst on the front, allowing this to stay a burl look. So we'll just do some purple out here. And you can see this pinstripe tape I have on there. That's covering the walnut at the moment. Pinstripe tape I have on there, okay? That pinstripe tape taped off the walnut inlay. So our hopes is I'm gonna leave that on and I'm gonna do this stain, this burst on here, this purple burst, just a light fade burst out to the edges. Then we'll take the pinstripe off. That will leave that clean walnut stripe all the way around. Then I'm gonna hit it clear over top of that. I think we'll be much happier with the way that turns out. And I think it's gonna be very pretty when it's all said and done. Have a nice purple back, purple burst on the front with a walnut inlay, that burl doing its thing, you know. So that's where we are on that. Got the neck over there, getting ready to finish off the neck. And so yeah, this is where we are on these two builds here. Of course, we got the acoustic build going, and after these two, we're getting ready to start on Ethan Gardner's T-style, modern T-style. Gonna be a pretty nice guitar, man. Some bare knuckle pickups in it. Hardtail, I'm looking forward to doing that. And fixed bridge. And then we're gonna do, at the same time, we'll be working, I try to do 2-3 builds at a time. Allows me to jump back and forth on things. Travis Gates, who is a great local guitar player. He has another single cut, like the one you just saw, except his is gonna be white on top. And I think that's gonna be very cool with gold hardware. Looking forward to doing that one also. So that's where we are. This is just a quick video to show you where we're at, what's happening, what's going on with the builds. And then after that, let's see, we get Travis out of here. Bob Severt's Explorer build, Explorer style build. And then Al Budowski. I think I'm saying his name right. Probably not, but we're doing a nice 5-string bass for him. And you guys, thank you so much for being so patient. I know it's taken forever. The move really jacked us up for almost a year, but now we're rolling, man, we're cranking them out. As you can tell, the videos are getting faster. The builds are going by faster. We've got our techniques as far as we can go in this building pretty efficient, and so they're rolling. So thank you so much for your patience. And they're coming, man. We're working on them. We're working on them faster, a lot faster. We got our CNC figured out really well. The process is there. We've got our finishing figured out. The process is there. And so we're rolling now, man. We've got some good inlay stuff happening. So a lot of good builds coming up. So thanks for watching. Thanks for tuning in. Thanks for being so patient. If you're waiting on your build, I'm going to get out of here, go get something to eat. I hope you guys have a great one, whatever it is you're doing, or guitars. Be good to each other out there, okay? Bye now.